On the subject of old bikes, this is a mini trail. I'm not sure of the age. I think 1971 mini trail we got in the shop. You can see it's in great shape. Bikes usually this old have a lot of rust on them. Obviously it was stored inside. We've done a lot of work to it to get it running again. But boy, for an old bike, and we even got this seat. I can't believe we found a seat, but we found a seat for it, original seat, still in the wrapper and everything like that. It seems to be all there. It's running now, okay? I think we replaced the ignition system. I'm not sure what all we did to it because I didn't work on it. But these were called mini trails. You can see the handlebars would fold down for storage, so you could put them like carrying behind your car, or fold them down, get them inside your trunk, and stuff like that. Pretty cool old bikes. And this one is, like I said, is in great shape. Unfortunately, the owner passed away before we got it finished. And I'm waiting to hear from the estate now what they want to do. I think they're going to want us to try and sell it for them. So that may, if you're interested in this bike, you might want to contact me and see what it's going to be. I know it's not going to be cheap because we got over $1,000 in repairs in it. So anyway, if you're interested in it, just let me know. And otherwise, I'll just kind of keep you posted.